Today, we're tackling a common but sometimes frustrating issue with your smart life devices. How to reset your smart life plug. Whether you're reconnecting to a new Wi-Fi network, troubleshooting connection problems, or just starting fresh, I'm going to walk you through the easy steps to get your smart life smart plug back in action. Let's dive in. Resetting your smart life plug is usually pretty straightforward, but there are a couple of methods depending on the type of reset you need. We'll cover both the soft reset and the factory reset. Method 1. Soft reset, for reconnecting or pairing issues. This is the most common reset you'll need. It's perfect if your plug is just having trouble connecting or you want to put it back into pairing mode. Locate the control button. On most smart life smart plugs, you'll find a single control button. This button usually doubles as the power button and the reset button. Press and hold. Plug your smart life plug into an outlet. Then, press and hold this control button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Observe the indicator light. You'll see the indicator light begin to blink rapidly. This rapid blinking means your smart life plug is now in pairing mode and ready to be reconnected to your Smart Life app. Open the Smart Life app. Go into your Smart Life app. Tap the plus sign to add a device. And follow the on-screen instructions to find and connect your plug. What if that doesn't work, or you want to completely clear all settings and start fresh? That's when you might need a factory reset. Method 2. Factory reset. Full data clear. A factory reset will wipe all previous settings and Wi-Fi configurations from your Smart Life plug, returning it to its out-of-the-box state. Unplug the device. First, unplug your Smart Life plug from the wall outlet. Plug back in and observe. Plug it back into the outlet. Rapid reset presses. Now, quickly press the control button 5 times in succession. Don't hold it down, just quick, consecutive presses. Indicator light confirmation. The indicator light will flash differently, often a slower blink initially, and then transition to a rapid blink once the factory reset is complete and it's in pairing mode. Reconnect in app. Just like before, open your Smart Life app, add a new device, and go through the setup process. Here are a few extra tips and answers to common questions about resetting your Smart Life plug. My light isn't blinking. Sometimes the timing can be tricky. Make sure you're holding the button for the full 5 to 10 seconds for a soft reset, or pressing quickly enough for a factory reset. Try different outlets just in case. Wi-Fi network. Remember, most Smart Life plugs only work on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If you have a dual-band router, make sure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz band during the setup process. App refresh. If you're having trouble finding the plug in the app, try closing and reopening the Smart Life app, or even restarting your phone. Distance to router. Ensure your Smart Life plug is within a reasonable range of your Wi-Fi router during setup. You can always move it later. Firmware updates. Sometimes connection issues can be resolved with a firmware update. Check the device settings in your Smart Life app after a successful connection. And there you have it. Resetting your Smart Life plug doesn't have to be a headache. With these steps, you should be able to get your smart plug back up and running smoothly. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with anyone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and tutorials. Do you have any other Smart Life questions or specific troubleshooting you'd like me to cover? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.